Welcome. S.S.C. English Second Paper. Board question. Changing sentence. Dhaka Board 2015. Change the sentences according to the directions. A. Television is one of the most wonderful inventions of modern science. Positive answer. Very few inventions of modern science are as wonderful as television. B. It was not invented overnight. Active answer. B. Scientists did not invent it overnight. Please write your text here. D. Nowadays, almost every family has a television set. Negative answer. D. Nowadays, there is no family without a television set. Please write your text here. F. The programs telecast by television are very interesting. Complex answer. F. The programs which are telecast by television are very interesting. G. Television should telecast educative programs. Passive answer. G. Educative programs should be telecast by television. Please write your text here. I. People spend their free time by watching television. Compound answer. I. People watch television and spend their free time. Please write your text here. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.